Welcome to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber and if you're new to this channel, I say welcome to this channel. Thank you for tuning in to this channel. Yes, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create a Skrill account. This video will be a detailed video about the website called Skrill. Skrill is a payment platform, so I will show you everything you need to know about Skrill and the benefit. I will do some reviews about Skrill, then I will show you how to sign up your own personal account in the next few minutes. Ensure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. On this channel I create videos on how to make money online and how to build a profitable business online. For you to be able to see more of my videos in the future, ensure you smash on the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. What is Skrill for? To sign up with Skrill, you'll find the link in the description box of this video, but make sure you watch this video to the very end. I want you to leave your WhatsApp right now, leave anything you are doing right now, focus on this video so you don't miss the important part of this video. That is all I need from you. I won't take your time. For the next few minutes I need your attention. Please stay with me. Now I'm in the Skrill website. You can just type skrill.com, skrill.com, Skrill, you make it, move it, send it and spend it. It's a matter way to spend at your favorite site. So Skrill is just a payment platform like PayPal. It's an alternative to PayPal. It's a payment platform like PayPal, like Payoneer and the like. We have some platforms that do recommend Skrill as their payment option or as their payment way or gateway for people to receive money. So with Skrill account you can receive money, you can send money, you can receive money, you can send money, you can pay online as well. So let's check the benefit more before we start creating the account. The online wallet for money movers and makers. Skrill has been helping to make it, send it and spend it for millions of customers since 2001. So wherever you are and whatever you want to do with your money, just Skrill it. So all you have to do is just to click on open a Skrill account and you are good to go. But before we do that, so it is important for us to know if they are legit or not. Can you see these are the reviews from Trustpilot? Trustpilot is a worldwide online platform where people give reviews about a certain website and they give all the reviews and stars about a certain website. Can you see that on Trustpilot this Skrill account or Skrill website have over 20,000 reviews? This shows that this site is legit and you can trust them with your money. So it is 100% legit. Download the app, access your money no matter when, no matter where. A fast and secure app let you move your account balance 24/7 and it is worldwide. So you can download the app using the Play Store and you can also download using the Apple Store if you are using iPhone. So that is it about that. So now to sign up you have to click on the register button here. Just click on the register button. It's loading. Ensure you like this video. Just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos on this channel like this one you are watching right now. Ensure you give this video a thumbs up. So to sign up now, all I have to do is to I input my first name, my last name, the country where I am, which is Nigeria. Can you see it automatically choose my country for me? And the good thing about Skrill is that you can sign up from anywhere in the world, so it is not restricted to some country. So you can use this as an alternative to a PayPal. If you are unable to create a PayPal account, you can create Skrill account and you are good to go in Nigeria or in Ghana, anywhere in the world. Can you see the currency? We are just I put my email here and put my password. So I will do that in a second. So after I've input all the details, by registering I confirm I have read and agreed to the Skrill terms of use. We send occasional marketing message which can be switched off in account settings. We manage personal data as set out in our privacy notice. So you can just click on this privacy notice and read their terms and conditions. and the terms and conditions. And before I click on register, can you see these are the sites that are partnering with this Skrill account? So that means they are legit. These are their partners. These are their partners. So now I click on the register button. So it's loading. Ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment down, and share this video to your friend. And the important thing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Just click on that small bell button. Below this video. After you have clicked on subscribe, just click on the bell to be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Can you see my account has been successfully created? Although I still have some little settings I need to do so that my account will be activated. And so let me click on send money now. You can click on send money, buy or sell cryptos. Yes, you can also use this site to get paid in crypto, in some cryptocurrency as well. So this is part of what this site is good for. So now, so I click on get started. So I click complete some registration here. So now from here, I'm here. So I will need to put my address. So I will put that in a short while. I put my address. I put another address if I have. I put city, postal code. Just postal code. You can just go to Google and type postal code for your present location. Assuming you are in Lagos, just type postal code for Lagos, postal code depending on your location. So I will do that right now, and I will also input my date of birth here, and also input my phone number. So that's what I will do in a second. Then after I input my phone number, they will send a text message to my phone number. So I will confirm that immediately. So ensure you put all your valid details, put a valid name, put a valid location, and also put a valid postal code. You can just go to Google and search for your postal code of your location. So after that, just put your name and make sure the number here is related to your country. So if you are in Ghana, you choose +233 depending on where you are from. So I'm from Nigeria, so I choose this. Then I click on next. Can you see it says digit verification code has been sent to this phone number? So I will check it now on my phone. Wow, yes, good, I've seen it. So I will type it here. This is 272798797. So make sure you use a valid phone number. So and it is counting time, so make sure you do that fast and click on verify. Awesome, verification complete. So to keep your account secure, create a 6-digit PIN. You may be asked to enter your PIN upon login or when you send or withdraw money. So this is important. You have to create your 6-digit PIN. So this will ensure your account safe and free from being hijacked or being hacked. So you have to do that, and it's personal. So I input mine. So I click on save. After inputting my 6-digit PIN, good. It's loading. Ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. You know that I choose send money to someone when I want to create this account, so that's giving me this option. So after my first transaction, I will be able to complete some other settings on Skrill. But those settings is simple. The one of it is confirming my email, and I will also set up my local bank account that I want to receive the money into. So I will put that on screen. You can do that on your own, but this is where I will stop this video. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos. Watch this next video that is popping up right now.